Hello. This is a video on how to pause and resume a Zoom video recording using Alt+P. I've been using Zoom for many years to record things for my nephew, things for class, maybe a children's sermon for a virtual worship service. And oftentimes I want to pause the recording. And I've always wondered how to use the shortcut. Now, first of all, when you're not sharing your screen during Zoom, it's just you. The record button is there and pause and resume is at the bottom. But when you are sharing your screen, you click the three dots and then you click record to start the recording. But now the problem, you want to pause because you want to bring up your next slide or because you have a tickle in your throat and you want to take a drink of water. Some reason you want to pause the recording. Normally you would hit the three dots and go up to pause recording. However, this is a hassle and we would like to be able to use these shortcuts, in particular Alt+P. For pause and resume. So here is the key and the main point of this video. We need to enable a global shortcuts. This is a keyboard shortcut. And these are going to be under the settings. So you go to your main Zoom screen, even before you might even be in your Zoom meeting, and you hit the gear. When you get to the Zoom settings, you're going to hit keyboard shortcuts. And then in the column for enable global shortcut, you want to check off the ones you're going to be using, in particular Alt+P for pause and resume recording. A global shortcut means the shortcut is going to be working no matter what software you are in. I do have one more bonus key for you today. So you're pausing and recording, pausing and resuming back and forth. How do you make sure that you are in fact recording when you're supposed to recording and not? Down at the bottom of the screen or wherever your toolbar is, there is a small, tiny little red dot, which means you are recording. Then when you pause the recording, that little dot is going to go away. This has been a video on how to pause and resume a Zoom recording using Alt+P. Have a great day.